Engineer C.S. Nagendra. Our today's topic of this video is editing commands in AutoCAD. Today we will discuss only 3 editing commands. Other editing commands we will discuss in our next video. Okay? So in today's video we are discussing move command, copy command and rotate command. Okay? One by one we will discuss it. First we are talking about move command. So the format of this move command in AutoCAD is at the command prompt type move and press enter key. This is the format of move command. The format of copy command is at the command prompt type COPY copy and press enter key. This is the format of copy command. And the format of rotate command is at the command prompt type rotate and press enter key. This is the format of rotate command. Okay. So let us take a problem. We have to move a rectangle. A rectangle is given. Let us take here. A rectangle is given with coordinates 10, 10, 40, 10, 40, 40 and 10, 40. Okay. We have to move this rectangle from this base point 10, 10 to point 60, 10. Okay, and the second point of this rectangle for moving this object is first point is 60, 10 and second point is 90, 10. Okay students, okay. So we have to move this object, this rectangle from 10, 10 to 60, 10 with its second point as 90, 10. This is our problem. Okay. So how to solve this problem? So first of all, we are using AutoCAD. So whatever problem we will solve it in at the command prompt by using the commands. Okay. So for moving any object, we will use move command. So at the command prompt, what we will do, we will type move and press enter key. Then your viewport will get activated on the screen. Okay, viewport means x and y coordinates grid system. In this problem, we have already constructed a rectangle by using either p-line command or rectangle command with coordinates 10, 10, 40, 10, 40, 40 and 10, 40. Okay, now we have to move this rectangle from base point 10, 10 to base point 60, 10. Okay, so at the command prompt type move and press enter key, the computer will ask you to specify the object to move. So you have to select this object, this rectangle, with the help of mouse by just dragging over it. Okay, selected. Now this object is selected. Okay, very good. Now the computer will ask you to specify the base point, first base point to move this object. Okay, so at the command prompt type 60, 10 because 60, 10 is the first base point given in the question and press enter key. Okay. Now the computer will ask you to specify the second point to move. Second point is also given 90, 10. So at the command prompt type 90, 10 and press enter key. You will see when you will press the enter key after typing 90, 10, this object, this rectangle having coordinate 10, 10 and 40, 40 corner points will get moved from 10, 10 to 60, 10. So the solution is this object is then moved from this point to 60, 10, 90, 10, height is 40, so 90, 40 and 60, 40. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay students, wait. Now we have already discussed about move command. Now we will discuss about copy command. Okay, so the format of copy command is at the command prompt type copy and press enter key. Either you can spell it in caps or you can in small letters. No problem about caps or small. So let us take a problem. A rectangle is to be constructed with the given points 10, 10, 40, 10, 40, 40 and 10, 40 and we have to copy that rectangle from 10 10 point to 60 10 point. Okay. So at the command before using this copy command, we have already constructed a rectangle with by using either pline command, line command or rectangle command. Okay, so let us take a rectangle 10 comma 10, 40 comma 10, 40 comma 40 and 10 comma 40. Now what we have to do, we have to copy this rectangle from base point 10 10 to base point 60 10. Here at this point we have to copy the same object. Okay, 60 10. Now here no rotation angle is given, so we have to construct the same object parallel to the x-axis, but the coordinate of base point is, starting point is 60 comma 10. Okay students, so at the command prompt type copy and press enter key. At the command prompt type copy and press enter key. What you will see, your viewport will get activated on the screen having coordinates x, y coordinates. Now computer will ask you to specify the object to copy. Specify the object to copy. So select this object, select the rectangle with the help of mouse by just dragging over it. Now the computer will ask you to specify the coordinate, the base point to copy. Specify the base point to copy. Okay, so at the command prompt type 60 comma 60 and press enter key. Now the computer will ask you specify the corner, which corner point, specify from which corner point you want to copy, or you want to pick this object. Specify which corner, specify the corner point from which you want to pick the object to copy. Okay, so pick this corner rectangle, select this corner point of the rectangle having coordinate 10 10 with the help of mouse. Okay, or at the command prompt you can give 10 comma 10 and press enter key. In both ways you can give the best method is select this corner having coordinate 10 10 with the help of mouse. As when you select this corner with the help of mouse and press enter key, you will see this another rectangle will get constructed with coordinates, in starting coordinates 60 comma 10 and other coordinates 90 comma 10. This is 90 comma 40 and this is 60 comma 40. Okay students, in move command and copy command you will see a difference. In move command, the earlier rectangle bit gets moved from this place to 60 comma 10 coordinate. Okay, so here the rectangle is only one, that is moved from initial place to final place. But at the copy, in the copy command you will see initial rectangle is present there and a new rectangle comes with the help of copy command at the coordinate 60 comma 10. Okay, now we will see the third command, that is a rotate command. So the format of the rotate command is type rotate at the command prompt and press enter key. This is the format of rotate command. Okay friends, so for understanding this also, consider the same problem, a rectangle with coordinates 10 10, 40 10, 40 40 and 10 40, and we have to rotate this rectangle with the 45 degree in counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise means anti-clockwise direction. Okay friends, so before using rotate command, we will construct a rectangle with the help of either line command, or p-line command or rectangle command. Okay, so let us take a rectangle already constructed with the given coordinates, having coordinates 10 comma 10, 40 comma 10, 40 comma 40 and 10 comma 40. Now what we have to do, we have to rotate this rectangle at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal in counterclockwise direction. That means we have to rotate in this direction. Okay students? So for rotating this, at the command prompt type rotate and press enter key. When you press the enter key, the computer will ask you specify the angle to rotate. Specify the angle to rotate. At the command prompt type 45 degree because we have to rotate this rectangle with the help at an angle of 45 degree. Now the computer will ask you specify the direction to rotate, either in counterclockwise direction or in clockwise direction. You have to rotate in counterclockwise direction. So at the command prompt select or type counterclockwise direction and press enter key. Okay students, got it? Now the computer will ask you specify the base point from which the object or rectangle is to be rotated. Specify the base point or baseline from which this object is to be rotated at an angle of 45 degree. So at the command prompt select this line, line between coordinate 10, 10 and 40, 10. Select this line with the help of mouse so that the object will be rotated at an angle of 45 degree with this line in this way, counterclockwise direction. Okay, and press enter key. After pressing enter key, you will see this object will get rotated at an angle of 45 degree This is the initial diagram, this is the final diagram. So you will see the final diagram will look like this. And the other coordinates will get obtained with the help of the software. Okay, got it students? So we have discussed editing commands in AutoCAD. 3 commands we have discussed. First is move command, copy command and rotate command. So the format of move command is at the command prompt type move and press enter key. The format of copy command is at the command prompt type copy and press enter key. And the format of rotate command is at the command prompt type rotate and press enter key. Okay students, understood? If you have understood and like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.